Thank you so much for coming out and watching this video. So I wanted to put something together for the guys inside of our community. If you aren't, you definitely want to make sure that you check out the link down below. We have lots and lots planned for 2024, and I'm looking forward to it. So in short, I put together, I'm really big on giving value, right? Like I've learned over the years that you have to be willing to give value to your potential prospects. Like, this is how you build in this space. Oftentimes I find that it's disregarded. We just want to go in, we want to, prospect, and we want to cold call, we want to do all these things, but we forget about, the value. We got to put ourselves in the client's position, right? In the potential client's shoes, right? So think about this for a minute, right? Let's say you and I, we didn't know each other, but I went ahead and I sent you this document that you're looking at. This is a simple 10-step document that goes over ways that they can effectively enhance their local marketing approach. It's very basic, but it goes over some very informative information. But let's say you and I were working together. Well, we were not working together yet, but I wanted to work with you, and I figured, you know what? Let me go ahead and send this to you. I direct mail this to your business, put my number down on the bottom, and continue the conversation. Now, that's as simple as it gets, guys. I'm a big believer that if you keep your marketing very minimal and not too much, you generate more responses. So going back to my example, if you and I were working together, I sent you this document, put my phone number down at the bottom, maybe a nice headshot, got my website underneath there as well. And then down at the bottom, I just simple lines, hey, if you'd like to continue this conversation, give me a call. You can text me. I'd be more than happy to give you more information. Now, with that in mind, say you had another guy reached out to you and said, websites $299.99, and here are the three packages. Choose one, give me a call. Who are you going to do business with? Who are you going to do business with? Think about that. You're likely going to end up doing business with who? With the guy that gave you the value, right? So it's no different. The logic is the same way. And I'm asking everyone inside of our community right now to really let that just sink in for a moment, because that's how small businesses view it as well. They view it the same exact way. They view it just like you just did a moment ago. You're going to do business with the guy that's going to give you value, right? And listen, it like I'm really big on, like, you don't want to go after every vertical, right? Like that's one of the biggest mistakes that you could make in the local marketing space. Like, you don't want to be going off the plumbers, dentists, and doctors all in one shot. You could get very exhausted off of that, and I do not recommend it. You got all these guys out there telling, yeah, go after the plumber, go after all of them on one shot. No, don't do that. If anything, I've been saying this for years. Choose one vertical, stick to that vertical, go after that vertical, develop a plan, see where they like to hang out. Where are they meeting in your local area? Where are they meeting online? Are they posting in a particular area? Where can I engage them? These are questions that you can start to ask yourself once you've opted and have chosen a specific vertical. And that's the beauty about marketing, is that once you've selected that vertical and gone all in on it, it's a stress-free process. It might take a little longer, but it's worth it. It's worth it. Even if you get one client a month, that one client is, if you do your numbers right, could pay up to anywhere $3,000, $4,000 plus. So you'll be making your entire month. So just my point here is that I just wanted to shed some light on this, the importance of giving value to your potential prospects and not overly trying to do too much, because that could sometimes be problematic, and it's just not anything that they're going to receive on their end. So here's what I've done. I wanted to just put this document together for you, where it goes over 10 steps that they can take to further enhance their local marketing approach. At the bottom, I leave some tips that you can use to send this letter out to your potential prospects in that vertical that you're focused on. And this document works for any vertical pretty much. So yeah, if you got value out of this video and you like to, learn more, get access to this document, go ahead and check out the link down below. And that's pretty much it. I'm really big on this, guys. Remember to always be giving value. Always be giving value. Don't do the free stuff, but give value. It's very different. The logic is different. And trust me, they're going to view that very different. Just like you did a moment ago. You're going to do business with that guy that provided you with so much value, with a simple letter just like this. Okay, so make sure to hit the thumbs up on this video. I left the link down below so you can download the document. It's going to be inside of the contributors portal. It is still open till 2024, so make sure you get signed up. All right, this is Guillermo. Speak to you soon.